In this session, let us learn about HTML background images. Background images on HTML element. A background image can be specified for almost any HTML element. To add a background image on an HTML element, use HTML style attributes and the CSS background image property. Add a background image on HTML element. See the code and result. See, by writing executing this code, see you can specify background image, BR, everything. See, the result will be like this. Background image, URL, image, peacocks, JPG. See, we are using two backgrounds here. See, the result will be like this. Background image for a P element, the background image for a div element. You can also specify the background image in the style element in the head section. Specify the background image in the style element. See, we can also specify the style element here. See, background image, style. You can specify background images. See, you can specify background image in the element HTML element. We specified for a div element. By default, the background image will repeat itself in the directions where it is smaller than the element where it is specified. Try resizing the browser window to see how the background image behaves. Background image on a page. If you want the entire page to have background image, you must specify the background image on the body element. Example, add a background image for the entire page. See, we are using the background for element. By default, the background image will repeat itself if it is smaller than the element where it is specified. In this case, the body element is like this. See here, by writing execute this code, the entire body element was repeated. Background repeat. If the background image is smaller than the element, the image will repeat itself horizontally and vertically until it reaches the end of the element. See here, by default, the background image will repeat itself if it is smaller than an element will be element where it is specified. In this case, the body element. See here, it was repeated horizontally, vertically until the element ends. To avoid background image from repeating itself, set the background repeat property to no repeat. See, now we are using the no repeat property. See, only one was printed. The image from beginning repeated by setting the background repeat property to C. By writing this code, background repeat, see the result here. Background cover. If you want the background image to cover the entire element, you can set the background size property to cover. Also, to make sure the entire element is always covered, set the background attachment property to fixed. This way, the background image will cover the entire element with no stretching. The image will keep its original proportions. See, set the background color size property to cover, and the background image will cover the entire element, in this case the body element. See here, no repeat, fixed and cover, we use that. Background stretch. If you want the background image to stretch to fit the entire element, you can set the background size property to 100% 100%. Try resizing the browser window and you will see that the image will stretch but always cover the entire element. See, to stretch and also cover entire element. See here, no repeat, fixed 100% 100%. Set the background size property to 100% 100% and the background image will be stretched to cover the entire element. In this case, the body element. See here. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 22, background images. In next video, let us learn about another topic, HTML picture elements. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.